Hello, this is Dr. Amin Marashi, retina specialist in Marashi Eye Clinic. I am presenting a short video about the tips and tricks of horizontal chop. This technique will help us to achieve a nuclear crack with less stress on the sinews, less ultrasound, and with reduced surgical time. In order to achieve a successful horizontal chop, you need an adequate tip exposure, and after that you need to shave the epinucleus sufficiently. Then we impale the phaco tip fully with the maximum preset vacuum into the nucleus near the insertion site. Then the chopper is slid behind the nucleus underneath the rehxis margin. While holding the nucleus with the vacuum, the chopper is brought into the phaco tip. The crack then achieved by separating both epinucleus by the chopper and the phaco tip without leaving any nuclear tags. When performing the horizontal chop technique, we have to make sure that the phaco tip is exposed adequately. Then we should do a shaving of the epinuclear material. After that, we impale the phaco tip fully near the insertion site and hold the nucleus, lifting it up and induce occlusion with maximum preset vacuum. We slide the chopper under the rehxis margin and deep behind the nucleus. We bring the chopper to the phaco tip, inducing a full crack, making sure there is no nuclear tags. This is an example showing the common mistakes during the horizontal chop. The phaco tip is not exposed adequately and the shaving of the epinucleus is not sufficient. The impale of the phaco tip is far from the insertion site, and the chopper is not slid behind the nucleus or deep enough. It failed to achieve a crack. Another attempts were failed to achieve a crack due to inadequate chopper placement, plane, and force. In contrast, this is another successful horizontal chop case. We can see adequate phaco tip exposure with sufficient epinuclear removal. The phaco tip is impaled near to the insertion site, fully lifting up the nucleus, and the chopper was slid behind the nuclear deep enough to bring up the chopper to the phaco tip, achieving a full crack with no tags. Thank you for listening. I hope you find this surgical video useful in your daily practice. If you want me to post more surgical videos, please tell me in the comment section below.